What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Big Money Mindset 2 Rocket Fuel channel. And in today's video, we're going to be going over a recent SPAC announcement just a couple of days ago. This is the BFT PAYSAFE SPAC merger. This is set to go through in 2021 Q1, so it could be a little bit of time before this company really starts moving, the way we've seen SPACs move these past couple of months. So just know it is an amazing opportunity in an early time frame to get in, right around that $12 range right now the stock is hovering in. The investment presentation is what we're going to be looking at today. This is a very long investor presentation with over 35 pages, so I'm going to go through it as quick as I can, showing you some of the big highlights of why this company has amazing growth ahead of it in the near future. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. We have over 900 users inside the Patreon, and that is where I list amazing call option opportunities for over a dozen companies every weekend Sunday before the market opens on a Monday. So you will be getting call option opportunities 4 times per month. And if you stay to the end of the video, I will show you crazy gains the Patreon members have been experiencing these past couple of months. So stay tuned for that at the end of the video, and we'll just get into the investor presentation and we'll take a look at what kind of opportunity this company has, BFT PaySafe. As we can see here, PaySafe to go public in Bill Foley backed $9 billion deal, and this is set to be a massive opportunity in 2021. PaySafe's merger with special purpose acquisition company Foley Trasimene Acquisition Corp 2 will result in the London-based company listing on the New York Stock Exchange under PSFE once the transaction does go through. Foley said in an interview that PaySafe had been at the top of his target list of mergers because it had different businesses that could be scaled. It's in a great position and we plan to take advantage of that, he said. So we got the investor presentation that came up, and this is a very detailed presentation. I went through it, and I just want you to understand this is Harry Potter book status. I mean, there is so many numbers, so much details, you'll lose your mind. So we're going to go through it as best as we can just to see what kind of opportunity this company has for the ongoing years, because I do see that this can be a great short-term play, if you're playing call options for next year. But this company could have amazing opportunity for years down the road, and we're going to see, what kind of opportunities that this company has. So Bill Foley, they are showing his creation playbook of other companies that, he has managed and he has ran. We can see that we have Fidelity. He took them from 3 million all the way to 11 billion. FIS, 2.5 billion to 91 billion in literally 14 years. Black Knight, 1 billion to 14 billion. Ceridian, 4 billion to 14 billion. And Dun & Bradstreet, 2 billion to 11 billion in nearly 1 year. So he knows how to run companies. We can definitely start with that. Foley has led 5 separate multi-billion-dollar public market platforms with 100 plus acquisitions across them. So if he's very enticed about this company, that's a good sign, because he wants to make some big money as well. This is a leading global pioneer in digital e-commerce, and we already know, the past 5-10 years, that's just been the direction that we've been headed, and it's continuing to grow more rapidly with more and more people heading towards that e-commerce business route. A lot of digital transactions with money. Cash is going in the past, People rarely carry cash anymore, so digital e-commerce with more and more businesses are growing. This is just the route we are headed for the next 5-10 years plus. 1.5 billion organic revenue projected 2021. I mean, they're already said to have done $1 billion in revenue, so they're going to continue to grow rapidly over the years. Proprietary integrated solutions. Number 2 with global stored value digital wallets. Network of digital wallet solutions enable users to upload, store, withdraw, and pay funds. Presence in 120 markets. PaySafe eCash, number 1 iGaming eCash network. Proprietary digital currency solutions empowering online, mobile, and in-app e-commerce for gamers and cash consumers. The companies and customers that they are rolling with and going after These are massive companies that they are going after. We're talking DraftKings, Fortnite, Twitch, Spotify. These companies do numbers out of this world, and those companies are growing rapidly, which is going to be more business for Paysafe in the near future. These companies are all set to just take over their markets the next 5-10 years down the road. And this is just one of those companies you want to just set aside and don't even pay attention to it for years to come. This is how you grow your wealth over time. It's just all about patience, and this could potentially be the next home run in your investment career. And you need to understand, when you're investing in a SPAC stock in that $10, $11, $12 range, your risks are so low because you're in at such an early time frame. We just saw DoorDash IPO. They didn't go the SPAC route, and there's tons of people probably investing it, and they IPO'd around $180. And you're not going to get the same investment opportunity as these big whales do getting in on a SPAC at that early time frame, because you're able to get in at the same time, these big banks and big investors are loading up. So the IPO route is different. With an attractive scale and financial profile, Paysafe digital wallets, 3.8 million users, Paysafe eCash, 12 million users, Paysafe integrated processing, 250,000 merchants, 75% plus organic revenue from e-commerce and integrated, creating a powerful Paysafe network. I just like the route they're headed. I mean, these companies that do digital transactions, this is just where we're headed once again. And with all this iGaming, all this sports betting, all these e-commerce websites of people, starting their own businesses, there's going to be billions and billions of transactions going through. And this is the type of company that is just set for success in the near future. And wait till you look at their competitors towards the end of the presentation. The competitors are already massive companies, in the stock market world right now. So they're just gearing up for success to grow. Global leader in iGaming. We all know where iGaming is headed. Europe and the rest of the world launched in 1999. Global leader with 1,000 operators. Canada launched in 2010. 100% of Canada iGaming coverage. Deployed Paysafe market playbook after 2010. United States launched in 2013. We are one of the newbies. The United States with iGaming and especially sports betting. Live in 12 states, serves over 60 operators representing 75% of the market. Set to grow rapidly, 24 billion to 47 billion. From 3.4 billion in 2019. That's absolutely insane. Global platform integrated cloud technology. There's another company I have just been buying the heck out of. That's APXT, A-Point. It's a Microsoft cloud partner. Cloud, once again, that's just where the world is headed. Paysafe is in 120 plus markets, growing their business just rapidly. Attractive growth opportunities. Platform integration, accelerating existing organic revenue strategies, winning in US iGaming, M&A strategy, proven leader in iGaming and well poised to be successful in the highly attractive US iGaming market. You have to understand the iGaming market is very small right now compared to what it can be these next 5 years. It is a growing business. And you can see right here, the U.S. iGaming market, once again, 3.4 billion 2019. They can potentially grow to 2025, 24 billion to 47 billion in the year 2025. That's a 52% increase over 5 years. And this is just a pinpoint Paysafe is trying to tackle in the early stages. 60 plus U.S. iGaming customers. DraftKings is the big one. DraftKings is a company that is just getting started as well. Deal goes through with ESPN. They just announced their SPAC merger less than a year ago. It's very, very highly growth market in iGaming. And that's the main point that I'm buying into this company. And this is just one I want to forget about. I don't even want to remember that I own this company. I just you want to invest in, you want to use the money that you're willing to risk, the money that you're not worried about and you don't need, for your daily life and bills. And that's what you need to put aside for investment. Your money is not going to go to work in a bank. You're going to get less than a 1% interest increase. The banks have a ton of money already. You need to be pulling your money out of the bank, investing it in early opportunity SPAC stocks that are set to grow over the next 5-10 years. And this is what we're looking for. We're looking for that next 10x. And once again, once we get to the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys what 10xing, 5xing is all about, because my Patreon members are doing absolute crazy numbers that you will not think is imaginable when we get to the end of the video. And it's just continuing to grow rapidly with the call options once again. And if this company does have call options, I will be playing call options on this company in the near future, which I'm very excited about, because I do pick the most absolute amazing call options. So stay tuned for the end of the video. You're going to be very excited. Continuing winning with high growth and profitable markets, gaming, Fortnite, Twitch, Spotify, YouTube. I was going over this at the beginning of the video. What I want you guys to do, a little bit of homework before you invest in this company, if you plan on investing, is just go take a look at, Fortnite, Twitch's, Spotify revenue and year-over-year growth. Take a look at those three companies and you'll see the direction that they're going to be headed these next couple of years. It's going to blow your mind. I did take a look, while I was investing in this company, and it's just set to explode. iGaming, e-commerce. It's a lot of opportunity, guys. Trust me. Right here, it just shows, the Paysafe valuation framework, and we can see, some of the competitors, Shift4 Payments, Square, PayPal. These are massive whales in the stock market. And if you learn more about those companies, you'll learn more about, the direction Paysafe is headed, to surpass those type of companies in the near future, because, these are companies that have been around for a while. Paysafe is finally going from private to public. And this is what you guys want to look for. It's an early SPAC stock with amazing opportunity, with long-term growth ahead of them. You don't want to get into, a dividend stock with low growth, just, getting you dividends because the company is, pretty much at its max out opportunity. You want to go with a company with that high growth. That's what it's all about, high growth. And you want to go, where the direction of the world is headed. All right, guys, this is my TD Ameritrade. I won't go into all the companies that I've been purchasing, but you can see right here, the BFT, the Foley Trasimene Acquisition Corp 2. That's the company you want to be buying into. And I did purchase, I purchased around like 500, 600 shares actually, because I have some of my Robinhood. But I did purchase right around that 1260 range. I'm going to be completely honest with you. This company can definitely fall under the $12 range, okay? So be aware that this is an early stage. There's going to be a lot of volatility with this company over the next couple of months, but I don't think it will last in that price range very long. So just know that this company can drop into that $11 range. It would be a great opportunity to buy, and I might average down a little bit more, but I feel very happy, getting in on a company like this in that $12 range. And to finish off the video, if you guys want to get into more call option opportunities, this channel is going to be going over, a lot of call option tutorials, things to look out for with call options, things to avoid. I'm going to be going over a lot of different tutorials. Be very, very excited for what's coming as far as teaching call options. But right now, my Patreon, I'm going to go over, some of the gains that we've been experiencing with all of our Patreon members. And guys, when I tell you I'm picking some of the hottest call option opportunities out there, I'm probably, one of the top YouTubers in the entire YouTube platform as far as call options. I'm going to show you guys right now what kind of gains, we've been seeing. All right, guys, this is my Patreon. This is where I do the updated post. I said the market is going insane. One of the craziest screen days I've seen in a long time. What options are you killing it on right now? Percentages in dollars. We can see HCAC is up 76%, IPOB 140%, TRNE 536% gain. That's like absolutely insane. IPOB 70%, TRNE 200%, PIC 120%. HCAC 74%, Palantir 170%, 783% TRNE, and that's an insane gain. That's almost a 10x right there. HCAC 160%, 10,000 printed on IPOB, still valid till May. Thanks, Kyle. That's a killer one right there. Congratulations. Sold my LCA for a 600% gain, turned $75 into $580. Ridiculous. Palantir 130, IPOB 100, Palantir 700. Guys, you get the point. I just wanted to show you guys I was not fooling around. My Patreon is the hottest call options Patreon there pretty much is on YouTube, and I do the call options every Sunday, 4 times per month. So you're going to be getting tons and tons of call option opportunities. You don't have to jump in. You can invest any amount of money you want. And I just wanted to show you guys what we're doing on this channel. This is the second channel because my last channel, the advertisement got a little, roadblock on it. So I created this new channel, the Big Money Mindset 2. So there's going to be a lot of good videos coming on this channel. We're going to be teaching more call option tutorials, more one-on-one. And I just wanted you guys to see, that this BFT is a good opportunity for the long term, just to build up your long-term stock market portfolio. But we'll get into more aggressive call option opportunities in the near future. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. BFT is going to be a great long-term investment opportunity for Paysafe. And if you want to get into more aggressive call option opportunities or learn more about call options in the near future, be sure to subscribe to the Patreon. There's going to be a lot of opportunity in the near future. Right now, we're up massively on, a couple of companies, HCAC, IPOB, TRNE, the list goes on. And you guys will see in the link, it'll link you to the Instagram, and you can see all of the reviews listed on the Instagram. So a lot of opportunity for the Patreon in the short term as well as long term. So I really do appreciate it if you watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to this new channel. This is the Big Money Mindset 2. We're going to be going over a lot more one-on-one coaching, how to learn more about call options and how to limit your risk. So I want to say I really do appreciate it. I'm Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset 2. You have a great day.